Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can block calls on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Now, in order to block calls on WhatsApp, you can see if I go to settings from here, there's no option to block calls on WhatsApp. If you want to do that, you just need to go to your settings. In here, you're gonna go to apps and then apps management. Right here, you have to search for WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you're gonna go to permissions and then click on phone. You just have to disable the permission of phone calls. You just have to disable the permission of phone, and from now on onwards, you will not receive any incoming call from WhatsApp. That's how you can block calls on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.